everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you another fidget toy, and this was sent to me from Sensory Toys UK. This toy is called a Fidget Pad and it's shaped like a mini game controller. There are several fidgets to play with. On the right side there are 4 buttons, 2 of which are silent, and the other 2 make a satisfying clicking sound when you press them. On the left side there's a clickable joystick that you can move in all directions. It also has fidgets that you can roll. These ones feel like a combination lock, and there's another roller at the top that is textured. On the other side there are 2 more fidgets. One is like a light switch and next to it is a spinning dial. And the last fidget is a spring-loaded lever. This one makes a satisfying sound when it snaps back into place. The fidget pad also comes with an attachable strap so you can take it anywhere and fidget with it again and again. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this fidget toy. Also, make sure to check out Sensory Toys UK, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!